Hi friends, today I am going to tell you a diet plan by which you can lose 5 kg in 5 days or 3 kg in 3 days, or you can drop a dress size easily. All the recipe links are mentioned below in the description box, and also you can follow my 5-minute fat burning workout to get the fast result. Let's get started. We will start with breakfast. In breakfast you can have 2 besan chilla or milk oats or a banana smoothie. All the recipes links are mentioned below. In lunch, you can have a lentil or a dal soup. You can use any dal. I am using moong dal. Take 1/3 cup of any dal and soak it in hot water for 10 minutes so that it can rise up and cook easily. Now take a heavy bottom pan or pressure cooker. Add some cumin seed and roast them by putting it on high flame. Then add 1 glass of water followed by the dal soaked. After adding dal, cook the dal for 2 whistles. This soup is very good and it is under 150 calories, which will help you in reaching your calorie deficit, and you will be able to lose 3 kgs in 3 days or 5 kgs in 5 days. After cooking, you can add some Himalayan salt and fresh coriander for taste. I am adding some waters to reach the consistency, and I will cook it for 1 or 2 minutes so that it will taste good. Your soup is ready to consume. You can add some lemon for the taste. For vegetable soup, just cut the vegetables you like, boil them and add lemon coriander for the taste. Dinner should be under 70 or less calories. For this I am making tomato soup that is under 40 calories. We will take 2 tomatoes and chop them into 4 pieces. Now we will take a pressure cooker, add the tomatoes in it, add some water. I am adding 1 glass of water followed by salt to taste and ginger to taste. You can avoid ginger in this step. Now put the pressure cooker on gas stove for 2 whistles. Your tomatoes are fully cooked. Now transfer the mixture into a saucepan followed by mashing. You can mash that and make a thin paste. Add black pepper to taste and mix the mixture well. Now cook it for 1 or 2 minutes. Now you can strain or just remove the skin and consume it hot. Your soup is ready. The other option is spinach soup. The recipe is in the description box. Before going to bed, you can have a fat burning drink, which is Himalayan pink salt flushing drink. For that, take a saucepan, add water, add Himalayan pink salt. Now mix it well and boil the water. This is a very good fat burning drink for burning your belly fat. Now we will put the water into a glass and add some lemon or ginger. You can use either lemon or ginger. Consume this drink daily before going to bed. I hope you have liked this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching.